These are the Teannastay. They're pants. And this is kind of like our lounge collection. There's 7.5 ounces of 100% certified. Stamp it with that certification. Recycled polyester polar fleece. This fleece was really cold. In the polar ice caps, we grabbed it, recycled it, and we made these pants. They have a relaxed fit. There's elastic waist. There's a nylon welding belt with a cam release buckle. They have a faux fly. Fake it out. It ain't real. Pull them down to use it or not. Gusset. And there's jersey line front zip hand pockets so you can keep things secure by zipping them up and down. Get kitted. Get pitted. Oh, yeah! You can make yourself a KAVU kit with these. Match it up with the Teannaway. If you're off to a festival and you want a full suit, suit it up. Grab the Teannastay and the Teannaway, and it's the way to go to have a good day full of play. There's jersey line front hand zip pockets. There's a back patch pocket with a snap it up, snappy closure. And we even threw down some bungee cords with cord lock down at the bottom. Technical term, at the hem, down at the bottom. Hem it up. Grab that bungee cord. Put these pants however long you want them. All the way down, a little bit up, all the way at the knees. You got to go running. You're in a hurry at that festival. Zzz, bungee cord these puppies up and get on your move. Get your move on. You got to get busy living, do some karate kicks, zip them up, pull them up with that bungee cord. Lock at the hem, aka the bottom of the pant. This is the Teannastay. Stay. Teannastay. Attaboy.